Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in your Zoom meeting. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. All you have to do is just click on join button and here is your name and you can change your name to whichever name you like. That's how you change your name in your Zoom meeting. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks would be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time and thank you for watching.